Secure Act 2.0, which was signed into law on December 30th by President Biden, will bring major changes that could affect physicians, particularly those who own their own businesses. This act, which builds on previous legislation passed in December of 2019, includes many components that have the potential to change physicians' financial lives. While some of these provisions will not go into effect for years, some of them will have an immediate impact. My name is Johan Vako. I'm the Assistant Vice President of Wealth Management at Wall Street Alliance Group, and in this video I'll cover some of the most important and most impactful changes that we saw in the Secure Act 2.0. First, there will be larger catch-up contributions. For individuals over the age of 50, the maximum limits for contributions to employer plans has been higher to allow them to catch up for years in the past when they couldn't contribute as much. While in 2023, the catch-up limit is $7,500, starting in 2025, those aged between 60 and 63 will have the opportunity to make a catch-up contribution of up to $10,000. Another important change in the Secure Act 2.0 is in regard to the RMDs. Beginning on January 1st, 2023, the age at which retirement account owners must start taking the RMDs will go up to 73. It will also increase in the future. Starting in 2033, it will be pushed to 75. Also, the penalty for not taking the RMD will be decreased from 50% to 25%, and it can be reduced even further to 10% for those who take the RMDs late, but submit an amended tax return. There are going to be changes in the charitable distribution rules. For those who are over the age of 70 and a half and are charity-minded, starting in 2023, the $100,000 annual limit will be linked to inflation. Also, starting in 2023, IRA owners must use part of the qualified charitable distributions as a one-time gift up to $50,000 to charitable trusts, and this amount will count toward the giver's annual RMD. For employers who wish to offer Roth account options to their employees, they will be able to provide vested matching contributions rather than only being able to offer pre-tax options. And this new option could also help employee savings grow tax-free. In addition, in 2024, RMDs from employer-sponsored Roth accounts will no longer be required. Good news for part-time workers, as they will have easier access to retirement accounts with their employers. To provide part-time employees with more access to retirement accounts, the original Secure Act contained provisions for those who worked between 500 and 999 hours for 3 consecutive years to be eligible to join the company's 401k plan. The new act reduced the number of years to 2. Also, there will be auto-enrollment into employer-sponsored plans. This is another aim to get Americans save more for retirement. And starting in 2025, businesses establishing a new 401k or a 403b must automatically enroll any qualified employees with a contribution rate of at least 3%. Good news for those who have 529s, which are at least 15 years old. Those can be transferred into a Roth IRA for the beneficiary, but remember there will be a limit of $35,000. The rollover is considered toward the usual annual Roth IRA contribution limit. These are some of the most impactful provisions in the Secure Act 2.0, and as you can see, many of them focus on retirement plans. To learn more about how these changes could affect you, and if there are new ways for you to save more for retirement, please reach out to our office. We would be more than happy to guide you through these changes and opportunities and see how they can work with your unique financial situation.